What if a beautiful 1961 Corvette could outrun modern supercars? This 580 horsepower masterpiece is about to blow your mind. The 1961 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible is already one of the most recognizable American sports cars ever built. Its elegant curves, iconic dual headlights, and unmistakable rear styling made it a dream machine of the early 1960s. But what you're looking at today isn't simply a restored classic. It's a completely transformed Restomod that delivers breathtaking modern performance while preserving the timeless beauty that made the Corvette a legend. Finished in stunning white exterior paint with tasteful gray accents, this Corvette immediately commands attention. Every chrome detail shines brilliantly, while the factory-style badging keeps the design faithful to its original heritage. Whether it's parked under showroom lights or cruising down the highway, this Corvette looks like rolling automotive art. One of the most impressive touches is the electronically opening hood. With the push of a button, it smoothly lifts to reveal something truly extraordinary beneath. Instead of the original small block V8, you'll find a massive Chevrolet LS3 V8 producing an incredible 580 horsepower. This modern LS3 engine transforms the driving experience completely. The engine is paired with an eye-catching 8-stack fuel injection setup that not only improves performance, but creates an unforgettable visual statement every time the hood is opened. Combined with the clean serpentine belt system, the engine bay looks just as impressive as the exterior itself. Power is delivered through a proven 4L80E 4-speed automatic transmission, giving the driver smooth shifts, dependable reliability, and effortless cruising, whether navigating city streets or stretching its legs on the open highway. Keeping all that power under control is an independent rear end with a 3.27:1 gear ratio, providing an ideal balance between explosive acceleration and comfortable highway driving. Dual electric cooling fans ensure the powerful LS3 remains cool even during demanding conditions, while modern air conditioning keeps passengers comfortable regardless of the weather. Steering has also entered the modern era, thanks to power steering and an upgraded power rack-and-pinion setup. Instead of wrestling with heavy steering like many vintage cars, this Corvette feels precise, responsive, and surprisingly easy to drive. Stopping power is equally impressive. Four-wheel power disc brakes, equipped with drilled and slotted rotors, provide modern braking performance that inspires confidence every time you approach a corner or slow from highway speeds. The Corvette rides on beautiful factory-style wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires. Up front are aggressive 245/35 R19 tires, while wider 255/35 R20 tires provide extra grip at the rear. Together, they give this classic incredible road-holding ability while perfectly filling the wheel arches for a muscular stance. Beneath the iconic body lies one of the biggest upgrades of all, an Art Morrison performance frame. This world-class chassis completely transforms how the Corvette handles. Combined with upgraded independent front and rear suspension systems and adjustable coilovers at every corner, the result is a driving experience unlike anything available in 1961. Jet-coated headers improve exhaust flow while adding durability and reducing heat. A brand new performance exhaust system allows the LS3 to breathe freely, producing the unmistakable deep American V8 soundtrack that enthusiasts crave. Attention to detail continues underneath with a new fuel tank, new fuel lines, and new brake lines, ensuring this Corvette is as dependable as it is beautiful. The rear suspension works in harmony with the upgraded chassis to provide remarkable stability through corners while maintaining excellent ride quality. Every component has been carefully selected to create a machine capable of delivering modern sports car performance without sacrificing classic charm. Open the door and you're welcomed by a striking red interior that perfectly complements the white exterior. Rich bucket seats provide both comfort and support, creating an inviting cabin that feels luxurious yet unmistakably vintage. A center console houses the automatic shifter, blending modern convenience with classic styling. The factory-style radio preserves the nostalgic appearance, while upgraded aftermarket gauges provide accurate engine information essential for a high-performance build like this. The leather-wrapped steering wheel feels premium in your hands, offering both comfort and confidence behind the wheel. Custom door panels add another level of craftsmanship, demonstrating that every inch of this Corvette has been thoughtfully designed. Even the trunk reflects the same level of quality. Finished with luxurious red carpeting and close-out panels, it showcases the builder's commitment to excellence from front to back. Versatility is another highlight. This Corvette includes both a white vinyl convertible top and a removable white painted hardtop. Enjoy open-air cruising on sunny days, or install the hardtop for a sleek coupe appearance and additional weather protection. What makes this Corvette truly remarkable is its ability to combine two completely different worlds. It preserves the soul, beauty, and unmistakable presence of a legendary 1961 Corvette while delivering performance, comfort, reliability, and drivability that rival many modern performance cars. Producing 580 horsepower, riding on an Art Morrison chassis equipped with premium suspension, powerful brakes, modern steering, luxurious interior upgrades, and exceptional craftsmanship throughout. This isn't simply a restored classic, it is a reimagined American icon. Offered at $130,000, this Corvette represents a rare opportunity to own a machine that looks like a priceless museum piece, yet performs like a contemporary high-performance sports car. For collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates world-class automotive craftsmanship, this is the kind of vehicle that turns every drive into an unforgettable experience. If you enjoyed this incredible 1961 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another extraordinary classic, muscle car, or luxury Restomod. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.